Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you easily how to get clay soil in 7 days. This can be used to craft things like the cobblestone rocks, dirt, or many other things. So to begin, first of all, you want to have some kind of a tool or just your bare hands and just go ahead and mine the ground below you. This can be better done with a tool like a shovel, just like this. And you can see I've gathered some clay soil. Also, there are some perks that are going to make it easier, like inside of the strength skills. Go to miner, and here you'll see that these skills are going to increase the block damage and reduce the stamina cost for your tools. Also, the mother load skill is going to improve the yield from the blocks that you mine. So this is pretty much all. How to get it, make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.